Hello everybody, here we have another unboxing of a AliExpress order, and let me open it for you to see what's inside. And you know the title already, of course. It is a Pagani design watch, and I'm really curious because the description was a little bit confusing. Some models were alloy, not stainless steel. Some had a mineral crystal or hardlex crystal instead of a stainless steel. Let's see what we got shipped here now. Alright, Pagani, the usual packing box here, the cleaning cloth, and here the watch it is. So this is, of course, as you can say and see, it is a homage watch to a Submariner with a sapphire crystal, so that is okay. And a stainless steel case, the way it looks like, yes. Screw in crown, screw in back, and it looks like it has the Seiko NH. It looks like it has the Seiko NH35A as the automatic movement, an oyster bracelet, and that is the PD-1639, which has the 43mm diameter, and I really like that. Okay, and let's see how it's gonna wind up and start moving, hopefully. Alright, it's gonna start, and I'm gonna stop it because I think the 15 is already on the way to change. Yes, alright, okay, so keep on. This is a nice watch, I must say. The bezel action here seems like 120 clicks. It's smooth. Minor, minimal, no play. Screw in. Screw in. Yeah, with the gloves it's a little bit tough, you know. Yeah, I could order the green or the blue, but I went for the traditional black version. I like it. Yeah. Let's see what type of bracelet we have here. Alright. Yeah, no marker adjustment here. Yeah, okay. But it seems to be well made. Yeah, Pagani standard quality, good quality, I must say. And I'm not sure how the loom gonna be, but I'll show that later on. Alright, okay, so you see the Cyclops is magnifying very good. Most likely 2 or 2.5 times. Alright, good. I ordered that December 2nd and it arrived December 12, 2023, and it was awful cheap. I couldn't resist here as well. Yeah. Alright, so I have a couple of Paganis already, and I can really recommend these watches. Oh, I think the bracelet, since a screwdriver is provided, so the links are screwed in. That's also a good quality sign, of course. Massive links, and the solid end links. I think they are 22 or something. Yeah, I have to check. Anyway, nice watch, and thanks for watching.